Emergency broadcast. Library District Alert number 93. To all students, staff, and visitors. This is an urgent transmission from the Regional Educational Safety Division. As of 2:13 p.m. today, multiple libraries across the district have reported anomalous behavior within archival rooms and restricted document sections. If you are inside a library and begin to hear pages turning but no one is near you, remain still. Do not follow the sound. Do not attempt to locate the source. They want you curious. The first signs are subtle. A librarian who shelves the same book over and over. A student frozen mid-page for hours, their eyes unmoving. A whisper from the historical non-fiction aisle. That sounds like your name, but slightly mispronounced. By day 2, ink will begin to bleed from certain texts, always from the margins inward. Do not attempt to read the corrupted pages. They're not meant for you. They're instructions for them. By day 3, anyone who has remained inside the library past sunset will begin to forget how long they've been there. Their phones will die, the clocks will slow, the windows will no longer show the outside world. If you encounter a librarian whose shadow is facing the wrong direction, leave immediately. If a book opens on its own to a page with your full name handwritten inside, do not touch it. And if the fire alarm ever rings, but there's no smoke, run. Don't ask questions, just run. The librarians are no longer who they were. The originals were discovered behind the walls, standing upright, preserved like paperweights, eyes wide open, tongues pressed between pages like bookmarks. This all started in 1974, when a student borrowed a book that was never part of the catalogue. A book that was already open when he found it. He read for 7 seconds and was never seen again. Since then, the library has been growing, not in size, but in depth. New shelves appear where there were none. Staircases lead down, even in single-story buildings. If you feel a warm breeze between the shelves, you've stepped too far in. If the lights flicker, it means something has noticed you. If you hear the same sentence repeated behind you in different voices, do not turn around. They remember your face now. One final warning. Before you return your next library book, check the due date. If it says due before reading, burn it. This message will erase itself in 30 seconds. Place both hands over your ears when the countdown begins. The last tone plays in a frequency not meant for human hearing. God help the readers who stayed past closing. Transmission ends.